Hello guys, this is Muhammad Rafiq with you. In this tutorial, I'm just going to show you how to clear unwanted Windows update files from your computer. Actually, these files are no need to keep in your computer. These files are just created temporarily while updating Windows on your computer. If you clean up these old Windows update files, you will get more space on your computer. So let me show you how to do it. For that, just click on Start menu and here click on Settings and click on System and here click on Storage. It will open storage window and here you can see temporary files. Just click on it. It will open temporary files window and there you can see scanning is started. It is checking what all files are inside. Okay, now the scanning is completed and there you can see one option, Windows Update Cleanup. So this option you have to check and delete. So here system automatically selected all the system related files. So if you want to check this, for example recycle bin or downloads, so just check and after that click on remove files. Now it started removing the files which is not needed to keep on your computer. So in this process I will get more space on my computer. You can see here Windows Update Cleanup takes 6.19 GB and system error memory dump files taken 3.93 GB and other files like thumbnails takes 559 MB and other files you can see here. So I think almost I will get more than 10 GB free space on my computer. So that's great, right? So it will take some more time to finish this process. So you have to wait for that. Now you can see that temporary files cleanup is completed. After that you have to restart your computer once and after that you will get more space on your computer and also you will get good speed on your computer. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. If this video helpful for you, hit like and share and subscribe for future videos.